Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Midwest Mood and Food, and we are at our happy place today, Houghton Lake, Michigan. Take a view of that beautiful lake water. And I've got two assistants with me today. I've got Marissa.
Hello.
And Chloe.
Hi.
And we're going to be unboxing something special. What is it, girls?
So today we have these lobster rope doormats here.
From Maine.
Yes, you know Maine out there, those guys do wicked good stuff, and this company, New England Trading Company, has designed and made lobster rope doormats out of lobster rope. Stay tuned for that, we'll be right back. Okay, New England Trading Company, look it up. I'll tag them in this video and put it in the description below. Girls, are we ready?
Oh yeah.
All right, I'm gonna hand it off to Marissa. Let's get this baby opened.
I open all my mom's Amazon Prime packages.
Oh yeah, we could tell.
Oh yeah, she's
It
got some
shows.
experience. Okay.
Nice job.
All right, here they are, guys. This is from Lobster Rope in Maine. Look how beautiful that is.
I like that color scheme.
Wicked good doormats. Chloe, you want to lift it up?
Oh yeah. Oh, that's pretty heavy.
Nice.
Good material.
Oh yeah.
I like
Look
the
how nice
ombre
that
movement
is.
going on.
Really
Now this is the navy seafoam in teal color. This is the 24 by 36 size. I ordered 2 of them and it's perfect for the lake here. I can't wait to try them. Let's get this one out. Marissa, you want to get that one out?
Yeah, I gotcha. Oh, these are heavy.
All right. Let's put them down and there they are. We'll flatten them out. We'll get them flat and look at the quality. It is nice and heavy and thick. I love it. And they come in all different colors and they come in a couple different sizes, and this is really going to be durable. It's going to catch the sand, it's going to catch the water. It's going to be perfect up here by the lake. What do you think, girls?
I think they're real cool.
They're really nice. Very
All right.
pretty colors.
Yeah, love the colors. All right, thanks all for watching. Until next time, we'll see ya.
Peace out.
Later. Bye guys. Bye.
Perfect. Wow.
Nice.